How to enable or disable use video sound as ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button. Then from the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now go down and tap on Code Background. In here, tap on the image at the top. Then tap on Use Video Sound as Ringtone. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch it on. If you switch it off, it will use your phone default sound. If you turn this on, it will use the sound from your video, and that will be used as a ringtone. So you can switch it on or off, and then tap on Set as Code Background to save the changes. Now if you want to change your video, you can tap on the background button in here. You can then change the video, and then from here you can also choose to turn on or turn off use video sound as ringtone. So tap on the Set as Background to make the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.